When winter unleashes its frozen fury, only the toughest machines step up to the challenge. From blizzards to ice storms, these power around the clock to keep our roads, runways, and cities safe. Today, we're going behind the scenes to explore the incredible machines that make winter survivable. Let's take a closer look at the heroes of snow removal. Let's start with the Rotary snow plow, an engineering masterpiece built to handle deep snow and heavy ice. Its massive spinning blades cut through frozen layers, scooping and flinging snow far from roads or tracks. Originally made Today's versions are powered by high-performance diesel engines, capable of handling snow over 10 feet deep. With GPS navigation and automated systems, these machines work with precision even in the harshest terrain. They're not just effective, they're mesmerizing to watch in action. Airports also face intense winter challenges. To keep flights moving, they use advanced snow clearing fleets that include plows, blowers, and sweepers working together. One standout is the snow wolf, a multitasking beast that plows, sweeps, and blows snow all at once. Built for efficiency, these machines are strong, fast, and designed to endure sub-zero temperatures. High-tech navigation systems help operators manage wide runways safely and smoothly, keeping air travel on schedule no matter how bad the storm gets. When things get really extreme, machines like the Caterpillar 98M and Komatsu WA600-6 take over. These heavy-duty snow fighters cut through compact snow and ice with reinforced blades and massive engine power. Equipped with heated cabs and real-time monitoring, they're vital for keeping essential roads and railways open during fierce blizzards. Next up, the mega-powerful snow plows. These are true winter warriors with giant steel blades and engines boasting over 400 horsepower. They clear roads fast, guided by GPS and packed with features like salt spreaders and wing plows for maximum coverage. These machines make winter driving possible, even in the worst weather. When snow piles get too big to manage, the AOS snow melter takes over. It doesn't push snow, it melts it, using heat and airflow. It turns snow into water without needing chemicals or salt. It's eco-friendly, quiet, and ideal for airports and cities that need snow gone fast. Now meet the trackless Snow Lion Icebreaker. Designed for extreme cold, it powers through thick snow and ice where normal plows can't go. Its trackless design gives it incredible flexibility in tight spaces. While the reinforced blade and high-torque engine handle the heaviest loads. With GPS and hydraulic control, this machine clears paths with pinpoint accuracy. Then there's the LaRue D65, a snow-clearing titan. With high-speed performance and multiple attachments, it adapts to any winter task. Whether it's clearing tight city streets or long highways, this machine is fast, powerful, and incredibly durable. Another standout is the Kotec PPCR. It combines plowing and snow blowing with a conveyor system that moves snow efficiently. Its hydraulic precision and eco-conscious design make it a favorite for large parking lots, highways, and anywhere needing top-tier snow removal. The Uber Aeon TV1000 is another snow-clearing champion. With advanced GPS, hydraulic control, and massive snowblowers, it's perfect for clearing thick ice from runways and highways. Built for strength and precision, it's reliable even in the worst conditions. For smaller or rugged areas, the Arian's Rapid Track snowblower is perfect. It uses strong rubber tracks for grip on icy slopes and uneven ground. With a powerful engine and adjustable chute, it throws snow up to 50 feet, making driveways and tight spots easy to clear.